How to enable fingerprint login in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your passcode. Before enabling fingerprint login, make sure your device fingerprint sensor is properly set up in your phone's system settings. Once logged in, tap the More option at the bottom right corner of the home screen. Then, go to Settings, where you can customize your app preferences. Look for the fingerprint login or biometric login option within Settings. Tap on it to begin the enrollment process. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your fingerprint using your device sensor. Make sure to place your finger properly to register it accurately. Once your fingerprint is successfully registered and verified, toggle the fingerprint login option to on. From now on, you will be able to log in quickly and securely to your Barclays app using just your fingerprint instead of typing your password every time. Now you know how to enable fingerprint login in Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.